Hello, class! I have a very special surprise for you today in my magic star box. Miss Bella, what is inside? Today, we're going to discover magical shapes.
Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray!
Wow, look at that! Welcome, Circle!
It's a circle!
Hello, I'm Circle. A donut is a circle too. Gad.
I'm square.
My lunchbox is a square.
Triangle, triangle.
Three sides. Oh, like this pizza slice. Hello, little learners. Huh? Our classroom board is a rectangle.
Round like a circle, up and down for a square. 1, 2, 3 for a triangle. Shapes are
Let's build something with shapes. Oh. Oh. Wow! Our shape house looks amazing! Do you see any shape like a heart? This heart is for you, Miss Bella.